In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover forgotten password or username on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you can't access your Roblox account because you forgot your username or password, it's pretty simple. Let me show you how you can do it. Now, in the first case, if you can't remember your username, but you remember your email, then you can use your email to log into your Roblox account. Alternatively, you can also log into your Roblox account if you added your phone number on Roblox. So go ahead and log in either using your email or phone number. However, if you can't remember any of the above, then proceed to the next step. For this case, go ahead and tap on forgot password or username. And if you tap on this will apply for both if you have forgotten your password or your username. Now here you'll be taken to this page where you have to enter any of the details that you remember, either your username, email, or phone number. So go ahead and enter any of the above and tap on next. From here, you will receive a confirmation code on any of the above. And to make it easy, make sure you either remember an email or a phone number and use it. So this code will be sent to either the email or phone number that you provided, and you'll use that to log into your Roblox account. This is best if you forgot your password because that code will act as a password. So that's how you can recover your Roblox account if you forgot either email, password, or phone number, or even username. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.